everybody, thanks for tuning in. We got another steelhead fishing video for you. It's the middle of winter, so you know how it is. There's snow and there's rain. My GoPro, for whatever reason, I did put a almost dead battery in when I first got there, and it was soaking wet. So unfortunately, I didn't get to change the battery out for the first fish, so I apologize. So the video is starting with me kind of holding the first one that we got in the net up and then letting it go. But we did get into a few fish. My son was actually able to reel in a couple, so that was awesome. But yeah, we were just running beads and little white tube jigs through holes, and we managed to get into some fish, so that's always a good thing when you go out and you get into at least a couple. So again, if you guys are new to this channel and you like fishing, especially for steelhead and salmon, make sure you subscribe. Drop me a like, drop me a comment. If you're a current follower, I appreciate you. Do the same if you have any questions. And yeah, so we're really excited. Hope to get out a few more times this winter before spring. And it looks like we might be able to do some ice fishing here in the near future as well. So again, appreciate everybody watching, and let's get to the fishing. Got a nice male steelhead. Nice looking fish. We're gonna put him back. He should be ready to go pretty quick.
Remember to say bye this time.
Bye. Oh.
Having a hard time?
Huh?
Having a hard time?
Oh, I got it. You can come over here. Keep it going.
I am.
All right, we got this nice buck. A little beat up, but we're gonna send him home.
He's a natural one.
Yeah, he liked me earlier. He was juicing all over my hand. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye. Whee.
You think he's happy?
Yes. Say cheese.
Cheese. Tyler has caught his first steelhead.
Is that a steelhead? Yes, it is.
Oh my goodness.
Bye.
Oh, hold on. Don't let that get away. That's a nice one. Keep it right there, okay? I'll get the net, okay? Don't let it get away.
It's dying.
It's not. Oh.
Trying as hard as not to go belly up.
Don't try to lift it out of the water. Swing it towards the net. How'd that feel?
Great.
Did it feel awesome?
Yes.
You want to catch another one?
Yeah.
Look at that fish.
Took me 11 years. No, but it might not be a male.
Wow.
How do you know it's alive?
That's belly's full of eggs. Look how big that is. That is a tank. That is a third of your size. Beast of a steelhead. Oh my gosh. Let me see if I can. Just gotta let her catch her breath. Wow. Dude, how How cool is that?
Crazy.
Are you gonna get one? Another one? Come on, Tyler. Here. Here, take it. Okay, get it? Okay. Yep. Okay, hold it. You got him? Oh, that's a nice one. No, hey, don't lift him out of the water. Just keep tension on the line. Okay, swoop him over to me. Oh. Hey, be careful with the rod, honey. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, you could probably hold that one.
Average.
Huh?
Average size.
Oh, no. Okay, hook it up again to the... Holy cannoli. Okay, here we go. Oh, you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, buddy. All right, let's let her go. Him go.
Let him go.
For him.
Him her go.
See ya. All right, everybody. Well, that about wraps it up for this week's video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I know I always enjoy getting out after those fish. Even though the weather wasn't really playing along very well, we managed to get a few fish to the net, and that's really all that counts at the end of the day. So hopefully you enjoyed it. I'm going to try to get out a few more times this winter before spring hits, so stay tuned for those. And yeah, the weather started getting really bad after that last fish. Started getting pelted with snow, and chunks of slush and ice were coming down the river pretty frequently, so we headed out. As this video comes to a close, I'll give you guys a little snippet of the weather we were experiencing right before we took off, and we'll see you on the water next time.